Niguo kung'ethanira na moruru maria maumanite na ucenjia wa riera, mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto arongoreirie kuongerera wingi wa miti nginya gicunjĩ kia 30 kuma gicunjĩ gia 12 gugikinya mwaka wa 2030. Riu Ruto akiranira kuhe makiria ma mbeu njithi 11,000 wira wa kuhanda makiria ma miti mirioni 1.5 kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na itanya inene ni kuhanda miti bilioni 15 guothe bururi-ini gugikinyaniria mwaka wa 2030.
Ministry of Interior has the instructions to start with the 45,000 people at the bottom of the provincial administration pyramid, the Nyumba Kumi leaders, 45,000 of them coming to the 9,000 assistant chiefs and 4,000 chiefs to ensure that we build from the bottom going up our tree planting exercise to ensure that we reach the 15 billion trees planted across the country.
Muthenya wa ira gavana wa Nairobi ni aranirire mubango uyu kuoya ithenya ria tabarira ya kazi mtaani, tabarira ria president afujire mweri-ini wa 10. Riu Ruto akiuga uyu ni mubango wa gutambio kaunti-ini ciothe 47.
And I want to thank the governor of Nairobi. We are going to be working with the county government of Nairobi in the greening of our city. And we have agreed with the governor that beginning January, we are going to hire 11,000 young people to create the army that will green our city, those that were working under the old program of Kazi Mtaani.
Today we enjoy shades from trees that were planted by many who do not see them coming up. Let us provide that for generations to come.
Ruto ni erega kunyita mbaru miogororio ya kuhitana na irabu iria cianegenagira andu utuku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, sakaja kioya mwekio gutambura itemi ria kiendetwo-ini ino.
Excellency, today our children can sleep peacefully without endless noise from discos and nightclubs. It cannot be that young people cannot sleep because old people are enjoying themselves downstairs.
Hamwe na uguo, sakaja na watogiririe ikinyeria kwa murwa gwa kamiti iria ihokirwo gutheria ruwi rwa Nairobi iria president erega kwamura.
We are glad that we've gazetted the Nairobi Rivers Commission that will go a long way in restoring our rivers, not just Nairobi River, but also Mathare River and Ngong River, and making that an economic frontier for a clean city, a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope, and a city of opportunities.
Mkuu watafuata nafasi hii.